Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Part A, Malaysia should use expansionary fiscal policy like raising government spending or cutting taxes to boost aggregate demand. Part B, the government to borrow more. This rise in the demand for loanable funds leads to a higher real interest rate. Part C, financial capital seeking higher returns. This increases the demand for the ringgit and shifts the demand curve rightward. On a graph with yen over ringgit on vertical axis, the equilibrium exchange rate rises, meaning the ringgit appreciates. Part D, Malaysia's imports will increase because the stronger ringgit makes Japanese products relatively cheaper for Malaysian consumers. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.